expensive to maintain a pit latrine. I actually also realized it's more expensive to build those stances of pit latrines than having waterborne toilets.
Habaho kutahira emyanya etari emwe n'emwe omuri Mbarara City okureba oku bayombekire ebizimbe n'okuba bariyo nibombeka. Kurugira hari Bruce Tumuhaire orukurira ebyokuteekateekera eby'okwombeka omu Rubirizi District nagira ngu kurugira hakurambura okwakorwa aha byombeko ebikwombeka omuri Mbarara City North haba hatariho engineer weena ebikwombekwa etiine plani abombeki tibaine safety guards nka boots, helmets kandi nibombekyesa omushenyi mubi.
Kaho twashangaho ebintu ebitakutambura gye aha site twashanga abatiineho omuntu weena ari tekiniko nka engineer obonasa kuteeza information ekwata abyombeko ebi then na building plans zitakozire ki zaba zitaro kugira ngo tubase comparinga kijya plan n'eki bariyo nibakora n'eki bariyo nibombeka. Then ekindi twashanga materials zimwe zibakukosa kwombeka aha zitari z'omutindo.
Yayongera agira ngo bebembeza bucuru kukwataho bareba omu nshonga egi
no kufuna obuhabuzi ahabakugu mureba Uganda hatiyona bakagirikiranya no planning area so mutana kuza kutandika kwombeka ayino kubanza kuja kafuna development permission kakumara kufuna development permission agenda teza planize kakuzimara afunije kweta mu building permission azireta bashuzima abakugu zaba z'omutindo bamuhereza building permission ningo rusaba kwombeka atandika ayombeka atayo ibyo twagamba ibyo handiko twabashanga
omukugambaho na Lucky Julius orisinya plana wa Mbarara ko government okurugira hakurambira ekizimbe kiriyo nicombekwa aha KCB Bank yashemererwa n'abombeki abo kugira ngo ebicweka 8 ebyenderwaho byaba biri aha site.
Twakirambura twareba bakakora integrity report, twareba baka revising drawings bazitwara State Council zaba approved. So twareba parking spaces twareba ko kurwa ramp abarimo kubaremba tawo mu kizimbe, twantureba setbacks, twantureba storm water management, twantureba kizimbe oburingwa bwacyo bakongera flowers ibirayiguru. So twareba ibintu byane bigendaje site eriyoke kandi bakatunga approved plans kansone barambura inspection reports zuriho.
Yashobora ngo urukiko ruri kuyamba bari kuteekateekera ekibuga n'abari kukora ebyokuwombeka okukora bibashemerire kukora.
Bena ba physical planners ba Uganda yona na ba engineers twaterana aha review kwera ngo turebe ebitukora je nibiha aituine correcting aninkai na no streamlining eba kweta pipeline cleaning because plan yo muntu tashime kubane umuntu nasaba kuombeka building permit ekacherero tashime kureta plan ye muga ekachererwa kuba approved.
Jane Charsima okurwa ministry yagira ngo bizibe batungire no kushanga ngo abantu bakore biri kuhenda amateka nko kutahirira bishara.
The challenges that I have seen is illegal developments along the road reserves, which I've already talked about, illegal permits in road reserves and wetlands. Every day we are talking about wetlands.
Jenny yashaba kuteekateekera ekibuga okureba ukangu bakore birabaretera obwesije omu bantu.
Public trust and legitimacy. And this one reflects confidence in government and its institutions. Because we have not delivered the services as expected, we no longer have legitimacy. The public no longer trusts us because they say, who's going to do this? The public servants. These ones, it will never come out.
Amakora gagasha kwa Susan Alino Mukisa abwa Tayari West.